Did you know that certain foods can boost your metabolism by up to 30% for a few hours after you eat them? That means what you put on your plate can make a real difference in how your body burns calories.
Metabolism is essentially how your body converts food into energy.
It's like your body's engine. Just like a car, it needs the right fuel to run efficiently. The foods you eat can either help or hinder this process. Choosing the right foods can enhance your metabolic function, helping you burn calories more effectively. Your metabolic rate is influenced by the thermic effect of food, which is the energy expended by your body to process and use the nutrients in your food. Different foods have different thermodynamic effects, and some can help increase your metabolic rate. This means that by making smart food choices, you can give your metabolism a boost. Understanding how metabolism works is key to making informed decisions about your diet. When you eat foods that are high in nutrients and low in empty calories, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function optimally. This can lead to better energy levels, improved overall health, and even support with weight management. Protein-rich foods are a great place to start when it comes to boosting your metabolism. Foods high in protein like chicken, fish, and eggs require more energy to digest, which increases the thermic effect of food. This means your body burns more calories processing these foods, which can lead to a higher metabolic rate. In addition to protein, foods like lean meats and legumes also contribute to an increased thermic effect. This is because they require more energy to digest and process. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help boost your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day. The thermic effect of food can vary depending on the type of food you eat. For example, protein has a higher thermic effect than carbohydrates or fats. This means that if you're looking to boost your metabolism, focusing on protein-rich foods can be a good strategy. Incorporating protein-rich foods into your meals can be easy and delicious. Try adding a serving of lean protein to each meal to help give your metabolism a boost. Whole grains are another great option for boosting your metabolism. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber, which can help promote digestion and sustain energy levels. When you eat whole grains, your body has to work harder to break them down, which can increase your metabolic rate. The fiber content in whole grains can also help keep you feeling fuller for longer, which can be beneficial for weight management. By incorporating whole grains into your diet, you can help support your metabolic health and keep your energy levels stable. In addition to their metabolic benefits, whole grains are also rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help support overall health and well-being, making whole grains a great addition to a balanced diet. Choosing whole grains over refined grains can make a big difference in your metabolic health. Try swapping white rice for brown rice, or white bread for whole wheat bread to give your metabolism a boost. Healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, play a crucial role in metabolic processes. Foods rich in omega-3s, like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds, can help support fat burning and improve metabolic function. Omega-3 fatty acids are also anti-inflammatory, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health problems, including metabolic disorders. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet, you can help support your metabolic health. In addition to their metabolic benefits, omega-3 fatty acids are also important for heart health and brain function. This makes them a great addition to a balanced diet. Foods high in healthy fats can be easy to incorporate into your diet. Try adding a serving of fatty fish to your meals or snacking on nuts and seeds to give your metabolism a boost. Spicy foods, like chili peppers, contain a compound called capsaicin, which can temporarily boost metabolism through thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is the process by which your body generates heat, and it can help increase your metabolic rate. The metabolism-boosting effects of spicy foods can be significant, but they are also short-lived. This means that eating spicy foods regularly can have a cumulative effect on your metabolism. In addition to their metabolic benefits, spicy foods can also help support digestive health. The capsaicin in chili peppers can help stimulate digestion and improve gut health. If you enjoy spicy foods, you can easily incorporate them into your diet. Try adding a dash of hot sauce to your meals or snacking on spicy foods to give your metabolism a boost. Drinking water is essential for metabolic health. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism, making it harder to burn calories. By staying hydrated, you can help support your metabolic function and keep your energy levels stable. The benefits of water for metabolism are clear. By drinking enough water throughout the day, you can help boost your metabolic rate and support overall health. In addition to its metabolic benefits, water is also essential for overall health and well-being. This makes it a great habit to get into. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and support your metabolic health. Green tea is another great option for boosting your metabolism.
It contains compounds like catechins, which can help increase metabolic rate and support fat burning.
The catechins in green tea have been shown to have a significant impact on metabolism.
By drinking green tea regularly, you can help boost your metabolic rate and support weight loss.
In addition to its metabolic benefits, green tea is also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants can help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Try drinking a cup of green tea each day to give your metabolism a boost. You can also try adding it to your workout routine to help enhance fat burning. A balanced diet is key to maintaining a healthy metabolism. By incorporating a variety of whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can help support your metabolic function and overall health. The benefits of a balanced diet are clear. By making informed food choices, you can help boost your metabolic rate and support overall health. In addition to incorporating metabolism-boosting foods, it's also important to limit your intake of processed and high-calorie foods. These foods can hinder your metabolic function and lead to a range of health problems. By making smart food choices, you can help support your metabolic health and achieve your health goals. To recap, some of the key foods that can help boost your metabolism include protein-rich foods, whole grains, healthy fats, spicy foods, and green tea. Each of these foods has its unique benefits, but they all share one thing in common. They can help support your metabolic function. Protein-rich foods like lean meats and legumes can help increase the thermic effect of food, while whole grains like brown rice and quinoa can help promote digestion and sustain energy levels. Healthy fats like omega-3 rich foods and spicy foods like chili peppers can also have a significant impact on metabolism. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help boost your metabolic rate and support overall health. Green tea is another great option for boosting your metabolism. Its catechins can help increase metabolic rate and support fat burning. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite metabolism-boosting foods?
Let us know in the comments below.
If you're looking for more health tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. We've got a range of content designed to help you achieve your health goals. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. We're always sharing new and exciting information to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.